The Thief's Story by Ruskin Bond. Sometimes the right person can change the course of someone's life. The Thief's Story by Ruskin Bond is about a young thief who meets an unusual man. And instead of being punished, he is given something else: trust. The story is told by a 15-year-old boy. His real name is not important. He changes his name every month to avoid the police. This time, he calls himself Hari Singh. He is homeless, jobless, and survives by stealing. One day, he meets a young man named Anil at a wrestling match. Anil is about 25, tall, lean, and easygoing. He earns money by writing for magazines. Hari decides to become friends with Anil. But he has a plan. He wants to gain his trust and then steal from him. Hari asks Anil for work. Anil says he cannot pay him, but he offers food, a place to sleep, and a chance to learn cooking. Hari agrees and begins living with him. Hari tries to cook food, but he burns the first meal. Anil laughs and teaches him properly. Soon, Hari becomes a good cook. One day, Anil says he will teach Hari how to read and write. He also promises to teach him how to add numbers. This is important because if Hari learns to read and write, he can earn honest money in the future. One night, Anil comes home with some money. He places 600 rupees under his mattress and goes to sleep. Hari sees this. He decides to steal it. He quietly takes the money and leaves the house. Hari reaches the railway station. He plans to leave the city. But while waiting for the train, he begins to think. He realizes Anil trusted him. Anil never locked his door. Anil was teaching him to read and write. This thought makes him uncomfortable. Hari understands something important. If he leaves, he will only become a bigger thief. But if he stays, he might learn to live an honest life. He decides to go back. It is raining. The notes become wet in his pocket. Hari returns to Anil's house. He quietly places the money back under the mattress. Then he lies down and sleeps. In the morning, Anil gives Hari a 50-rupee note. He says he has been paid, but the note is still wet. Hari realizes that Anil knows everything, but Anil says nothing. Instead of anger, Anil gives him trust and something even more valuable: a chance to change. The story shows the power of trust and kindness. Anil does not punish Hari. He silently gives him another chance. The story teaches that trust and kindness can reform even a thief. That night, Hari did not just return the money. He returned to a better life. And sometimes, one act of trust is enough to change a person forever. Read slowly, think deeply. This is Quiet Recall.